Hey everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care here in Naples, and today we are talking about paver installation and some of the things we love about it. Number one, the true beauty and aesthetic it adds to your home. There is so much you can do with pavers to create accents, to create designs, to create beautiful flat surfaces, whether that be for a patio, for a walkway, for any kind of area that you need to expand a hard surface for and make it easy to walk on and long lasting. They are a great piece for any home, and they are so easy to tie into the aesthetic a home already has and then expand that even further out into the landscape and some of the hard surface area. Now, the second thing we really love about pavers is their durability. Pavers are very durable and last a long time, but this is mainly hinging on one thing, and that's proper installation. And most of what you pay for when you pay for a paver project is not the actual paver itself, the piece of block on the top of all of the actual foundational work. It is that foundation and that prep work. Excavating out, putting in proper base installation, proper subsoil corrections, and all things of that matter to ensure you have a long-lasting patio is the biggest investment of the whole project. The paver is really the icing on the cake that makes all the hard work that's foundational, that makes it last, look beautiful. And it's just like a tall building. You have to build the foundation to support that, or it topples over. If the foundation of your pavers, retaining wall, any kind of hardscaping like that is not done properly, it won't last long. You will have waves and little potholes and all types of things in there that can be very problematic to your hardscape project. So that's one of the reasons we love the durability. We love the sheer PSI strength of the face of a paver being much stronger than most concrete, and it is a great surface for almost all of your needs. Lastly, we love pavers because there is an awesome opportunity for you to add in the future or change in the future. Concrete, where you might pour something, there might be a walkway, and then you decide that we're going to change something in the future. Tying back into that is going to be truly impossible without making it really evident there's two pieces of work. Now, don't get me wrong. If you were to tie into and add on to an existing paver sidewalk or patio, you may be able to see that work was done there. But if you sew it in right and you mix some of the block and you have the exact same block, you can make that a lot less noticeable, and you can extend and build into without there being this hard to match surface. We can actually tear back old patios, sew into that patio or hard surface area, whether that be a walkway, whatever the case may be, and then it allows us to put an extension or a change or build off of something for the new ideas we have for your property to continue beautifying as time goes on. So there's three things we really love. The beauty and the aesthetic is amazing. There's a lot of lighting opportunities, which we really love. Landscape lighting. Lighting stone is even nicer. And then we love the durability because when it's installed correctly, it'll last a long time. And finally, that opportunity to make changes, add on, do whatever you need, really remove for something in the future. You could have a big patio area and we decide that, hey, we want to put this water feature, this bubbling stone feature, because we want to add even more ambiance. And that wasn't in our original plan and design. It allows us to go in there without having to blow out concrete. We can lay in lines to it and get so much easily maneuverable changes that can be done with pavers. Those are some of the things we really love about it, and we would love to install a paver project at your home in Naples. We can't wait to work with you.